Hi guys, so we are at Greatford level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Golden Minecart and Jamie. There we go, time is 9:42 on Saturday the 10th of October 2004. Hour 9:43, 1 Yankee 16, Virgin Trains East Coast Service Newcastle under King's Cross. I can't see it, there's no cameras. This is a...
It's expected.
Oh, it's there! How can I not notice that?
Jamie! It's expected 46.
We wait for your 9:43. Slightly delayed, 9:43. 1 Yankee 16, Virgin Trains East Coast Service Newcastle to London King's Cross.
Expected 46.
Hey?
It says expected 46.
Yes.
Should be coming from that way, over there.
This is our. This we're going to Tallington next. Two at each crossing.
Back.
Yeah.
We're going back to Tallington once again. Awesome.
Morning. Morning. What are you waiting for today?
Nothing. We're just filming in general.
All right.
We're filming all the crossings in between. This crossing. This is our first crossing. Then we're going up to Everton level crossing in Stevenage or Huntingdon.
Cool. Last time we were out, we saw the Bittern, the steam train. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that was Flying Scotsman. It was back in service.
Yeah.
If it's going to Kings, we've got a problem. There's a red on the main.
Oh, that means it might stop.
Look at this.
Oh, what is it, Joe?
Look at the skirt there.
Oh, how did that manage to fall off?
Look.
Oh God.
Flashing green.
There's a flashing green down there. Unless we stay down for our 9:49, 1009 Virgin Trains East Coast Service Ludicrous Cross at Edinburgh.
We might be going up after this. We might be going up after the 0943.
This is my second trip to Greatford. Sorry about my sixth trip to Tallington.
You've been to Tallington with
Adam all the time.
Yeah, with Adam.
Ah, not Adam B.
Yes.
Gone again. Mobile signal's rubbish here, isn't it?
And I've got. Look at my signal.
Well, thank you. Just
Yeah. Here she is.
Oh, here she is.
43. £3.
I hope it's a 43307. I hope it is. We've got
43 for £1.
no, not yet.
43 208. 43 208 and 43 296 to the King's Cross. And up they go.
Up they go.
Cheers, Ed. Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.